Hi everyone, welcome back to Hobby Potter Weekly. This week was full of throwing on the wheel, trimming. I did some hand building again. My shelves are empty because, well, this is the bisque load that just came out yesterday. And as soon as I took these out, I put the rest of the things I made in it. So even the cups I made at the beginning to middle of last week, I put in the kiln, and I don't know if I did the right thing. We're just gonna have to find out. I'm about ready to open it now, so it's still a mystery to me. If you're interested in seeing what happens during the week, I have an Instagram account. It's just Hobby Potter. Go Instagram and look for Hobby Potter. And sometimes those videos don't make it into the YouTube videos. So if you're interested in keeping track during the week, Hobby Potter on Instagram. Let's see what happened this week. I have a little bit of a cold. I had a fever last night. I came in here and I was determined, and everything I made I'm not happy with at the moment. So I'm just sharing reality here. I know a lot of people think that everything goes excellent in my studio and I try something and I'm happy and excited all the time, but today I'm not excited. I broke something. I'm a rhinoceros in the studio, but all the same, I feel thankful that I was able to have some clay time today, and that'll help me to be more focused on what I want to do next time. So it was beneficial, but I just wanted to share a moment in time. What I get for rushing it. See, I'm thankful my large pieces did not explode, but that cup exploded, that vase exploded. I'm just loving these little bowls. I'm glad it made it. Yay! Normally after a bisque load, I just jump right in and go right to glazing. I don't spend a whole lot of time reflecting, but I thought it would be important to share with you the pieces that you've actually seen in a video, that they've made it through the bisque, because what I'm going to do is share the glazing, and you'll be seeing the bisque today and then the glazing in the next video. Let's start with the firing itself. There were 2 bisque loads this video. The first one was actually my maiden run of the relays that I had installed and replaced because I was getting an error. I was so nervous about that because my husband's not here to help me fix it if it doesn't work, and then I have no kiln. But when I opened up the first load to see if they worked, I saw this. It scared the heck out of me. But what happened was I thought I had an 05 and an 03, and the reason I did that is I don't have any 04s, and I figure if one super melted and one stayed upright, then it was an 04 firing, right? Okay, that was my methodology. Anyway, these are both 03s. So the second load was this, okay, which tells me, yes, it did fire all the way to cone and everything is, you know, copacetic. Everything's happy. Let me show you piece by piece some of the things in past videos, and I'll put below which week it happened in. My arch enemy right here is this vase. It gave me trouble from the minute I did it, but I love it. I wanted to make a vase like this. The only thing that came out properly were the flowers. I blew it up right here because I put it in when it was too wet. I already told you about that. But I did get some kind of redeeming grace. I got a texture. I have a nice little texture stamp out of it. My teapot worked. I'm so excited about that. The lid, everything is just delicious about this. I love that. These were my tests. I had mixed some, what is that? Blue Oxide wash from Amico. I mixed it with some Slip, and I think I like this. I think this looks really nice. The colors I love my little flowers, happy with those. So these tests turned out pretty well for me. I made some cups with handles. So I got some, I didn't want any of my cups to look the same. You saw me trimming that at the beginning of this video. This is my new texture. Okay, I showed this in a video where I made a texture, and this is the one. I'm going to show you how it's used in a future video. Thankfully, the large bowl turned out correct. It turned out well. I like this. Yay, excited. If you remember, this is the Hydrobat piece. Okay, this is the one I had upside down on the Hydrobat that came right off. I'll link to the videos below, okay? Okay, so that was it for the bisque load. Now comes glazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to get notifications. I have over, I don't know how many videos I have. If you want to look at some more pottery videos, I have quite a few, probably like over 500 or so. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.